Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan with Her Courage to Plan, and I want to come on here to just give you another update that tonight is going to be day one of my scripture read aloud and writing plan. And if you did not check out my last video where I did my journal entry for Be Still, I'll link that information above so you can check it out at your earliest convenience. But I went into detail as to what I will be doing for October. And I will be doing a Bible reading plan from Little Faith blog. It was actually their September plan. And so I've been led to do that plan this month, even though I know September's 30 days. I'm sure God will make sure that we have something to read about. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I just hope that you all enjoy it as much as I know I will enjoy. I will be reading the scripture aloud. It's going to be about God's promises. And I will be writing them out on camera. And so I don't anticipate these videos to be long, and not at all, but every day for the month of October, I will be doing a reading to you guys. So I'm so excited. I hope you all enjoy it. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So what we're going to go ahead and do is get right into the video. All right, guys. So what I want you to know is that I am using the Inspired Journaling Bible. It is the New Living Translation that I'll be reading from. And this is day one of the promises in the Bible. So this is day one reading of God's promises. And again, this reading plan is from littlefaithblog.com. This was their September reading plan. Okay, and so day one is titled Salvation and Unfailing Love. That's the first promise that we'll read about. And we're going to be reading from Psalms 119, 41 through 50. Okay? And it reads, Lord, give me your unfailing love, the salvation that you promised me. Then I can answer those who taunt me, for I trust in your word. Do not snatch your word of truth from me, for your regulations are my only hope. I will keep on obeying your instructions forever and ever. I will walk in freedom, for I have devoted myself to your commandments. I will speak to kings about your laws, and I will not be ashamed. How I delight in your commands, how I love them. I honor and love your commands. I meditate on your decrees. Remember your promise to me. It is my only hope. Your promise revives me. It comforts me in all my troubles. And that's the end of the reading. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do the scripture writing. And tonight I'll show you, since this is day one, I went ahead and put down some decorations. I went ahead and titled this day one, and I'll do on camera, I'll go ahead and cover that up tonight. And I did go ahead and kind of decorate a few pages, and I'll update it as we go along. I'm going to speed the video along, and I'll come back and close out for you guys. All right, I'll see you back in a bit. right, guys, so I hope that you were blessed by the reading of the word tonight and watching me do these actual scripture writing. And I just did a little bit of decorating there to cover up that notation. So this is day 1, and I will see you all back tomorrow. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.